How we doing? We're past the hump. Anybody counting? You know the video already, so insane. DHL. Sealed white box. Man, my lucky Braves. Have you seen this team? I'm sure whoever follows baseball, maybe. They're having a magical year. They were going to get swept by the Marlins for the first time this year. I think the first time. Their response last game of the series, 3-game series, they go down 6-0 first inning. You know what happens? You know what their response was? They dug in, scored the most runs ever in NL history. 29 runs. That's huge. Why do I always do baseball analogies with Dixit and Zach? They're in one of the toughest lockdown countries in the world. And they've had these compositions forever. I feel for them. This is packed really well. I mean, it's just packed for safety in this, which I don't mind at all. All distribution has been being done from Naaz Perfumes, Zikander. Let's do this. I have 3 bottles in this. I do not want to screw this up at all. It's like cutting tissue open. Skin tissue. Uh-oh. Do you see what I see? 1, 2. What is this? 3. I kind of have a lonely family up here. They're looking for their relatives. They've been waiting for their relatives. All right, I don't know what. All right. 2 different brands here. Same perfumers. This is Naaz Perfumes exclusive perfume made by Dixit and Zach under their new brand Amelia. Amelia will feature mixed media by Dixit and Zach. This one is personally for Zari Zikander on Instagram, owner of Naaz Perfumes. I believe this is his first perfume. I might be wrong. You guys own the comments on this section, so you guys correct me if I'm wrong. Beautiful bottle. Let's check that out. Galia Reflection. So there's no notes on. Is there notes on the box? Nope. I know there's some rose. I know the musk is synthetic. Ooh, smell a bit. Where do I want to spray this one? I'm going to go top. I want the 2 Dixit and Zachs on the wrist. Whoa, wow. Oud. For sure. Definitely the Dixit and Zach twang. Rose is prominent. Got some of that oud. Definitely have to see how it dries down for that musk. But all about the it's familiar. It's new. We'll be getting used to it. Rising Mysore II. It has a warning. Uh-oh. Wonder why they have to do that. Use before 3 years before date. I love aging my perfume. I've never seen that on the box before. Is that an India thing? I mean, Mysore sandalwood is my favorite. One of my favorites to age. Interesting. Check this out. 30 ml. So it's older, big tough brothers, 100 ml. This juice is, can you see that? A little darker. This, I think, is 30 ml was what, one, I forget what I paid. Is it 120, 140? This guy sent me a bill altogether, and I said pay it all together. I don't pay attention. I know I want it. I know what I want. Interesting. So, and this is a little, I want to say 40% more than this, cost-wise. So where do I want Mysore at? I think I'm used to Rising Mysore. Let's spray it on this arm. Oh, I love these atomizers. Weird how they're spraying first spray. Don't like that. It's familiar. Different spices. A little more something. You get that sandal facet blast, Mysore blast. It's sweeter on the top, more prominent florals in it than the first one. Definitely almost more going on, if that's possible, because the other thing was packed. Called that the Indian Barbershop Fougere. This is like it's like a sequel. It's like telling another story of this perfume. I wanted to get a backup bottle of this. This is 10 times better of a way to do it for me. Is to just, oh man, it's got that sandalwood pushing everything up, and they push it up better than anybody with what I mean. It's from their country. It's from their region. And this pushes it up. Some nice heavy notes off the Ghaliya. It's really coming together as it sits on skin. So Rising Mysore II special. Obviously, full reviews. I don't, all Dixit and Zach's, there's just first impressions aren't even fair. Brindabin took me a year. If I would have reviewed it a year, I would have missed half of that review. And I know everybody wants answers and whatnot. I mean, all I can say is Dixit and Zach making really good all natural. These are all natural. If it has Dixit and Zach on it, it's all natural. All right. Brand new composition. Cashmere Nuit. I think this is the same bottle presentation as Rising Mysore II. Oh man, look at that beautiful juice. Wow. It's amazing. I love these sprayers. Oh, the citrus on this thing. It's a beautiful citrus. Man, I need notes on these boxes or something. There's that thing again, must be used by 3 years. I like aging these, so yeah, talk about that. Oh, the citruses in this thing is beautiful. Some Dixit and Zach twin, but new. A cooling filling to this one. It's a grapefruit. And this rose is in this. Way different. It's good stuff. I know there's civet in this, and it is just awesomely used. I thought this would be a way darker fragrance than it is. It's got those elements, but somehow they just brighten things up at the same time. There's tobacco in it. More rose. There's rose in it. Saffron. And I believe that whole Santal flare they used too in this thing. There we go. You guys know there will be reviews coming. I don't know what the number is. Are we at, 11, 12, 13? There they are. Oh, are they all the same bottle? They are, just different caps? Yes, sir. Dixit, Zach, Zakari, Naaz, Amelia. Thank you for what you do. Guys, these guys had... I can't imagine the amount of messages you got. I know the percentage of messages I got, and I can only times that by 10. People are nuts. People are crazy. The work is worth it. Thank you for putting your souls, your hearts into your craft. You're heard. You're loved. Thank you so much for letting me be a part of your fragrance journey and what you're creating on earth, over from your part of the world to my part of the world. Thank you. All right, everyone watching, all love to you from the channel. You and yours be safe and be blessed.